Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. And today it is confirmed. It is confirmed. Well, not really, but it is. Guys, let's hit that intro. Welcome everybody back to Boost Emotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So, welcome back. Welcome everybody back to the channel. Guys, it is confirmed. Yes, we will be getting a Nissan Z. Now, earlier this week, I dropped a video of spy shots of a Nissan Z, but if people were saying it was a Nismo or it was not a Nismo. Well, the information is now out and it is confirmed. So we're gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys an article. But before I get into it, if you are subscribed to the channel, which means you're watching the video right now, guys, hit the like button, please, and thank you. If you are a subscriber of this channel, this is the best way for you guys to support for free. It costs you guys nothing. Guys, I really would appreciate it. And if you're new to this Boost in Motion channel, I am Boost in Motion. I am a fellow Infiniti enthusiast. I've also owned plenty of Nissan Infiniti vehicles, including two Q50s and a Q60, which two of those cars are powered by the same motor that's going to be in a new Nissan Z. So, hey guys, let's go. Let's jump into it. I want to do a quick screen share, and we're going to take a look at this. I don't even want to call it a press release, but it is what it is. So, let me just change the view a little bit better. Let's make it look a little bit better. All right, cool. So, this was released yesterday, and the Yokohama-based manufacturer will field two examples of the Z. One via its factory Nismo team. That's how we confirmed it. And the other via the Max Racing Squad at Super Taku, I believe, or Taku showcase event June 4th and 5th. This is about a little over a month from now. Now, pretty much what Nismo is going to be doing is taking this car, right? Well, these races usually have either fully tracked out cars that we regularly know, or they have regular stock cars, just a little slightly modded. Pretty much, the cars will come pretty much factory, and they basically just have some simple OEM modifications. I would assume probably like solid bushings and certain things like that. But technically, it's still technically a stock car. So knowing that Nismo is taking their factory modified Nismo, right, out there, and this is a 24-hour road course, which means this car is going to be put through its paces. Why would they do that? Well, based on this article here, a short statement, Nissan says it hopes to investigate the possibility of using the Z in various motorsport categories and aiming to use it in a tough 24-hour race such as this to forge an exciting race car worthy of the Z moniker. Now, if you guys don't already know, they're using the Nissan Z in their GT3, GT4 races. I think it's GT3, GT4 races where usually the GTR was there the whole time. I think they use like a high performance 4-liter I hate to say 4 liter, 2-liter turbo motor. Pretty much it's like a restrictive race type of racing where it makes it feel very equal because they use the same power plants. But they want to branch off and see what else they can do with the Z. So this is super dope because honestly, if they're taking a factory Z, I'm assuming Nismo definitely do their due diligence and modify the Z to be able to compete in a 24-hour race. Now, most of us have an Infiniti Q50, Q60. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, that motor is not the type of motor you want to take to a 24-hour course. That car will overheat. It will spin a bearing. Its oil will run a lot really hot. So whatever the things they decided to make the Nismo Z version be able to perform at this 24 grueling test, I know they have to put a lot into cooling. So this makes me super excited because it lets me know that Nissan is not trying to BS, or at least Nismo needs on this one, trying to BS. They want this car to be a road course worthy car. Now, for guys like us who has Q50, Q60s, this is really good because now other performance parts may come to the platform. Maybe an upgraded VR30 may come to the platform, where we can just swap it into our Q50s, Q60s, stronger internals. From what we already know, slightly larger housings will be on the new Nissan Z. This is the regular, just base or sport one, not the Nismo. So we already just hope that this car will just come a lot better out the box. But knowing that they're making a Nismo Z, it makes me super excited. There's really not too much to talk about much more in this article, but now it's pretty much confirmed. Now I want to just do also a quick screen share of some of the photos of this, because compared to the last one that we saw on my channel, it looks nothing like it. Looked like they finally painted the car. So let me just quickly take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of photos. Photo gallery is going to be right here. Boom. This is the photo gallery. Now, this car is supposed to be cut up and pretty much they stripped out the interior, put a cage. Look like they put a vent on the hood clips. They left the front opening right about the same. They really didn't change much about the car. It looked like they lowered the car a little bit. And moving forward, let me see if I can move this. It's not allowing me to move the photo down. It looks like, I don't know if we can zoom in. Yes, we can. We can zoom in. Oh man. All right. It looks like, let's take a better look, because we like to do things the right way over here, Boost. All right. So it looks like, I don't know what it says. Brembo brakes. It looks like it might be 6-piston brakes, but I'm a bit confused because it looks like they're using 2 to 3 pads here. I'm not too positive on what kind of brakes they're using here. It looks like they may be 6 pistons. Maybe they're using a mixture of different pads, because that orange part is really throwing me off. They're using these nice Nismo wheels. Is it probably on some 18s? And they also actually marked it to see how much the tire is slipping on the wheel rim. That's actually pretty cool. I'm happy that the guys are actually doing that. Doesn't look like the regular grill that they really had on from factory. So it looked like they went with some kind of mesh grill on the car. All right. Before we can spy here, of course, race seats, the little GoPro mount in there and everything like that. Um, they have I think that's the vent hole for fuel. I'm not too positive. You guys can correct me in this video. Just guys, let me know. The rear brake pads are GTR calipers. So maybe these are GT. No, these aren't GTR. So from what it seems like, they look like they're using GTR rear calipers and rotors. So that's actually pretty cool. And that's the wing that they're using. The wing that I originally saw in the video before didn't look like this wing though. All right, let's take a look at another photo. This one, this one isn't as clear. Let me see if I could back up to this one, and then let's see if we could zoom in a little bit better. So they look like they put cutouts for the hoods, I guess, for the airflow, so the air can actually go in and come out that way. The intercooler probably, the water intercooler probably sits somewhere right here. Don't really see anything from the front. The car just looks pretty low. I do spy looks like a heat exchanger of some kind. I don't know how big it is, but it's pretty much right there. It's pretty profound. And honestly, that's it. With these photos, we really can't see too much more after this. This is pretty much it. But what I gotta say is, guys, like, this is good. This is really good. I know you guys are super excited. I'm actually super excited more and more for this car coming out, because I gotta say, in the Japanese world, we've been really yearning for a motorsports car, a real sports car for the everyday person. And there's really none being made, especially with a lot of manufacturers going with electric cars nowadays, or trucks in the world of CUVs or crossovers. It seems like sport cars really aren't being made that much, or these car enthusiast cars aren't being made unless you have to go foreign, like a BMW. Not even Mercedes or really Audi anymore. So honestly, I'm super excited about this. And yeah, guys, Nismo Z is confirmed. We will be getting a Nismo Z, hopefully for 2023. So at that side of that, guys, you have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you guys for banging with your boy Boost. You already know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe button with the bell notification. You already know. I'm out. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.